Hi everyone, welcome to the Visual Builder Cloud Service online course. So in this video, we are going to look at the charts in Visual Builder. What is chart? Different charts available in VBCS and how to create a bar chart. We will going to look at a demo here where I will show you how to create a pie chart in a different manner. Charts in Visual Builder. A chart is a way to define data in the better representation that help business leaders how organization is growing in terms of revenue, sales, etc. If you wanted to represent your data to the top management, you cannot show your data in a raw form or you cannot show your data in a tabular format. Business leaders understand the charts. So you can create a charts of a different data in a visual builder and show it to the leaders so that they can understand how their business is growing in terms of revenue and then sales and etc. This is one of the key ways to make your application drive better user result. As we say, a picture is a worth of 1,000 words. Similarly, a chart represents the lot of data in a single picture, and using that picture, leaders will be able to understand how their business is growing very fast or what is the problems so that they can do something to bring the revenue at the highest. Visual Builder has inbuilt visualization components which help customers to view data in the form of a chart. There are different charts available inbuilt in the component list, which will help you to create different type of charts as per your requirement. Different charts in VBCS. There are different components in VBCS which will allow you to create different charts, like area chart. You can create bar chart, box plot chart, bubble chart, common, funnel chart, line with area chart, pie chart, polar chart, pyramid chart, range chart, scalar chart, spark chart. All these charts are based on the Oracle Jet. If you don't find any chart under the VBCS component list and you think that this chart is available in the OJET, so you can add this extra component, extra chart in your VBCS and you can use it. So in this video, I will show you how to create a bar chart, how to represent the salary information in terms of the chart. So let's get started and log in to the Visual Builder application. Here, I am going to create a new application like visualization application. And then finish. So first, I will create a business object to hold the salary information. And here, I will create certain fields so that I can represent the data from these fields into the bar chart. So first will be a salary, and make sure the salary information is the number. And then create field. Similarly, create another field like bonus. Make sure it is also a number field. You can create a name field here, which will have the name of a employee, and it is a string type and department. And it should be of string type. Let's try to load the data into the business object, and here I can say 100, department is IT, name is Ankur, and then salary is 1,000. You can copy that data multiple times and then update it. Okay, just use this. It will make a one duplicate row. Looks like, okay. Copy and then just try to update one by one. 01 and then OP name is Nancy 2000. Let be saved. Let me just update each and every row very quickly. Okay, so I have updated the data. So let's try to create a web application. Go to this web application and then create a web application here. I will say the chart web app and then create. Collapse this. If you go to the component palette below, you will see a group called chart. Here in this chart group, you can see different type of charts available out of the box in the component palette, which will help you to create different type of charts and bind with the data. Okay. So let's start with the bar chart. So bar chart will show you, will represent the data in the bar format. So you can bind this data with the different sources, like you can add, you can use your service connection to bind the data, or you can use the business object to bind the data. So just select this bar chart and click on this add data from this quick start menu. Click on this add data, which will open the data source wizard, and here it will allow you to select the business object which we have created. Click on the salary and then next. Here you need to bind the y-axis, x-axis, and then color series. So on the y-axis, I wanted to show the salary information. On the x-axis, I wanted to show the employee's name, and on the color series, I wanted to use the department. And then next, and then finish. So once you will finish, the chart will be created and it will represent all the data which you have in your salary business object. Here you can see the bar has been created, the bar chart has been created. If you switch to the live mode, you can see the different vertical lines. If you try to run this in the preview mode, and will show you. Let it be open. Okay, here you can see the horizontal line displays the name of the employee, like Ankur, Nancy, Dinesh, Vikas, Nandini, Divya, and Krishna, and the vertical line represents the salary information. It has divided into the 2K groups, 0, 2K, 4K, 6K, 8K, 10K. It will increase automatically depending on the information you have in the business object. Here, if you hover the vertical line, it will show you the series, like operation, group is Vikas, and then value is 9,000. And here you can see the department, IT, the blue represent the IT. Here you can see the IT group, and green represent the operation department. We have 4 employee from the operation department and 1 from the DevOps. Go back and try to change the properties here. Just select this, just go to the design mode and then click on this graph and then go to the general section. Here you can see the chart type is a bar. If you wanted to convert it into different graph, you can select it and the graph will be converted automatically. Here you can see the legend department, right? If you wanted to change the legend, you can simply change it here and it will be reflected over here. You can see that this has been changed. You can change the legend position. By default is the right side of the graph, but if you wanted to change it, you can change it by here, like the bottom. Similarly, you can bring it on the top of the bar. So this is how you can change the legend title, and then you can change the legend position. Similarly, you can change the x-axis title, employee name, and then y-axis title as well, employee salary. So if you wanted to change few other properties, you can change it here. Let's try to make it a little big. Okay. Now here you have seen that while configuring this bar chart, we have selected the salary information, employee name, and then department column. What if you wanted to showcase the bonus with salaries? So you wanted to add the bonuses with the salaries as well. How you will do this? So whenever you create the chart and you bind this with the data source, it will create the types along with the SDP. So if you go to the types, here you can see this get all salary response will be created automatically, and it will have all the fields which you have selected during the configuration. You have selected only ID will come automatically, ID, department, name, and then salary. You can add more fields. Let's try to add it from endpoint. Click on this, and here you wanted to add bonus field, and then finish. Now bonus has been added into the response type as well. The SDP will be updated automatically. It is because it depends on this particular type only. Let's go back. What I want to add bonus with the salaries as well. So for this, select and then go to the data. Here you can see the under values, you have the current data salary. So what you can do is you wanted to add the bonuses. So for this, what you can do, simply click on this plus and then repeat this, and you can add the bonuses here and change this salary to bonus. Make sure you are choosing the correct field, otherwise it will give you an error. Here, just try to preview and you will see the bar will be changed and it will show you the bonuses as well with the salaries. Here you can see 9.90K. Earlier it was showing 9K, but yes, bonus has been added with the salary as well. 5.010 and then 3.7 and then 1.5 and then 2.1 and then 1.10. Okay, so this is how you can add extra field to your bar chart as well. So this is how you can create bar chart in the VBCS. So that's all for this video. Thanks. Bye-bye.